4x4 garage. The 2025 Toyota Crown makes a bold statement with its sophisticated and modern exterior design. At first glance, its dynamically proportioned body gives it an elegant and streamlined appearance. The sharp line of the daytime running lights emphasizes its contemporary grille, while the refined taillight flows across the rear, completing the sedan's captivating design. For those seeking an extra touch of flair, the platinum trim offers a bi-tone exterior finish that extends from the hood to the rear, ensuring the Crown stands out in any setting. Under the hood, the Toyota Crown offers impressive performance options. The standard powertrain features a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid engine paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission (ECVT), delivering a balanced blend of power and efficiency. For those craving more acceleration, the platinum trim comes equipped with the Hybrid Max 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged hybrid engine, coupled with a direct shift 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup produces up to 340 horsepower, providing a dynamic driving experience. Additionally, the standard all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling across various road conditions. Stepping inside the 2025 Crown, you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. The interior is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials and attention to detail. Front passengers can enjoy leather-trimmed heated and ventilated seats, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The rear seats are also heated, catering to passenger comfort. A standout feature is the panoramic fixed-glass roof with a power sunshade, available on higher trims, which floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. For added convenience, the platinum trim includes a 10-inch head-up display, projecting essential information directly onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers several trims to suit different preferences and budgets. The base XLE trim starts at $41,440, offering a robust set of standard features and the efficient hybrid powertrain. The limited trim, priced at $45,950, adds premium amenities such as the panoramic roof and JBL premium audio system. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance and luxury, the platinum trim is available at $54,990, featuring the powerful Hybrid Max engine, bi-tone exterior, and advanced technological enhancements. These prices position the Crown competitively within the luxury sedan market, offering a blend of style, performance, and value. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Crown sedan seamlessly combines elegant design, powerful performance, luxurious interior features, and competitive pricing. Whether you're seeking a comfortable daily driver or a sedan with dynamic capabilities, the Crown is poised to meet and exceed expectations. Thank you for joining us for this detailed review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.